Oh fuck, oh fuck.
Hey, wait. This is for YouTube. Oh, right here. Oh, I need the thumbnail.
Ready, dog?
The Charger, the Hammy, the 5.0, the 5.0 Yonke.
Don't start it, bitch.
Hey, no cussing on my channel, bro.
Oh, my bad.
Nah, you're good. I'm just playing. Yes, he kept the cats. I don't know why, but that's his juice. That's what he wants. Fresh part. Oh shit, we got a. I don't know what that is back there.
I deleted it.
Why? Okay, whatever.
Yeah, honestly,
Hey, for YouTube, say what's up to my fans right here.
What's up?
Hey.
This is the Oreo right here.
Oreo. And that's a black car right there. And that's a red car. And that's an Oreo.
Somebody told me to call it
Rev it, here, for the video. Oh yeah, for the video, right here, for the video. He's gonna rev it. Alright. That's Chris right there. Oh, this guy. What does this guy have? Flowmaster? Flowmasters, and he just got the X pipe, so he's gonna install the X pipe and we'll see what's up. I am not texting and driving, but we're going to go install the X pipe. My car's a little loud. Oh, there it is. Hopefully he don't break shit. He's gonna go install it over here. Shout out 3-star motor. Ryan right here with the Eco Boost. Damn, let's check out. We got Chris earlier in the video. Ryan, you got that Eco Boost. Well, Gio's in there. He's gonna get his shit installed. Hopefully he don't crash. Farewell, Ryan.